How to make a USB to Nokia safe charger. This simple project shows you how to make a USB-powered Nokia cell phone charger. The advantage is that it weighs much less than the bulky AC adapter, and can be used wherever you have a computer or a laptop. This seems to charge it slightly slower than the one that came with it. Steps. 1. Strip off the shielding and insulation on an inch or so of the USB cable. Clip the white and green cables to uneven lengths so they can't conduct into each other or either of the power lines. Hopefully you should be left with a black wire and a red wire. 2. Clip off a length of the Nokia charger's phone side plug. You won't be needing the wall part anymore. Strip off the insulation from the Nokia plug wire. Hopefully you should have a red wire and a black one. The red wire should be connected to the inner barrel of the plug, and the black one should be connected to the outer barrel. 3. Attach a normal silicon diode, not a Zener diode, with the line part towards the Nokia plug. It should go between the red wires from both cables. Attach the black wires from each cable together. 4. Try staggering the lengths of the wires so that the solder joints have less chance of coming into contact. 5. Check all the wires with a multimeter to make sure they are really the right ones. The colors might not be standard.